All right, I'm doing a quick YouTube video on my welding cart. It is based on Kyle Spicer's design from Spicer Designs. You can go to his channel and watch that. It's a pretty cool welding cart that he built. I just didn't need the big bottle. I don't use bottles. I use flux core more than anything. And so I just mounted a bottle right here on the tray that comes with the cart. If I had this all to do again, I probably wouldn't go with white just because white shows everything. But I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. I've got everything I need right here. My top is isolated. I built these standoffs here. I'm gonna put another nut on there so I can tighten these down. Actually, I don't know. Maybe this one will work. So these standoffs then will support this end here. And then I built these standoffs on my CNC. So everything should be isolated. Those are made out of Delrin. And then I just built this. My mask, my hood just goes down there. I just draped the cord up over this handle for the welding lead and everything. It works for me. This, I did do what Kyle did, and I made the standoffs there, but I upgraded these struts because there's no way that the factory struts would lift that. That piece is the 3/8 inch piece of steel, and it's heavy. It's 100 pounds probably. I don't put anything in here really because I don't want to have to lift that to get to much. So there'll be stuff in here maybe, but not that stuff that I'm going to use very often. And then the other thing that I did was on the back of these drawers, there's a little catch that locks when this is down. Well, I cut those catches off of all the drawers because for one, this is never going to be in a situation where I need to lock it. It's always going to be in my shop. So I don't really care about the lock. I even took the latch off of the lock, but I wanted to be able to open these drawers with the top down. So I just cut the latches off of all of the drawers. But I've got everything labeled. I've got welding cutting tools. I've got everything grinder. So everything that has to do with a grinder goes in there. Then clamps and work holding go in here. And gloves and welding protection and like overflow wire and stuff goes in this drawer. I just love having everything where it needs to be. And this cart rolls all over the shop, so it's pretty easy to get around. And then I have a dedicated place to build my little small parts and stuff. I mean, this thing will hold a lot of weight, probably. It's already got, like I said, that 3/8 inch piece of steel on it. So anyway, I just thought I'd do a quick little video of my new welding cart.